Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So for today's recipe, we're showing you a very easy, healthy, and balanced meal. This meal contains a healthy balance of protein, carbs, and fat. So for this recipe, you're going to want to start off by grilling seasoned chicken on full heat for 2 minutes. You can season it however you'd like. So for the ingredients of this recipe, you will need cooked chicken, vegetables of your choice. We decided to use cauliflower, carrots, beans, and broccoli, 1 cup of rice, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So you're going to start off by putting the rice, oil, salt into a rice cooker and letting it cook for 20 minutes. And while it's cooking, you can go ahead and add the vegetables to a steamer basket and cover that on top. If you don't have a steamer basket, you can obviously cook your vegetables separately. And after 20 minutes, it should be ready to serve. Now obviously you can substitute the vegetables for what you like, or your protein. If you want to use brown rice instead of white rice, you can do that as well. You can also use cauliflower rice, and instead of chicken for our protein, you can obviously use beef, tofu, fish, whatever you'd like. It's really all about balance, and if you really want, you can add sauce, but I wouldn't recommend this because sauce usually has a lot of calories and unnecessary sugar. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button to stay updated on our latest videos, and share this with your friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to get notified about our latest videos.